Hi guys, today I will show you what's inside the Bosch GSR 120 GDR 120 combo. The set comes with 2 machines, 2 battery and 1 charger. The battery is 2.0 Ah and the charger is GAL 12V-20. The charging time for 2.0 Ah battery is approximately 65 minutes for full charge. For GSR 120, the RPM will be 0 to 400 for gear 1 and 0 to 1500 for gear 2. For GDR 120, the RPM will be 0 to 1300 for setting 1 or speed 1. For speed 2, it is 0 to 2600 RPM. To insert the screw bit for GDR 120, you have to pull the chuck a little bit before insert the screw bit. This is the place where you can adjust the torque of the machine. To take out the battery, use 2 fingers and press the slot at the battery and pull.